pure, so true, so you. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing makeup. It's my natural beauty coming through. Hello beautiful besties and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye, welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much and welcome back besties. Today I am sharing with you a beautiful, natural, radiant makeup look. If you want to hear what it is, see what it's giving, please continue to watch. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous jewelines. So if that sounds like something that you'd be into or that you'd want to be a part of, stop what you're doing, drop me your sin of the day. If you like the vibe here, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button. Don't stop there, tap your notification bell. If you really want to take it a step further, come over and say hi on Instagram. Without further ado, we are jumping into this review right now. Hey besties! Okay you guys, we are talking about today the new launch from bareMinerals. This is their original pure serum radiant natural liquid foundation with SPF 20. I'm gonna give you my thoughts, my opinions, and my first impression. You guys, at what age were you able to wear makeup? My mom was so strict. I couldn't wear makeup forever. Like, I could not wear makeup forever. So I want to hear from you. Drop down in the comment section right now, at what age were you allowed to wear makeup, or did you sneak to wear makeup? I couldn't sneak and wear makeup. My mom was the kind of mom that would show up at the school and be like, girl, what are you doing? So I want to hear from you. Today, you guys, I am bringing you a new launch from bareMinerals. This is so nostalgic to me. I'm going to tell you why. If you want to hear my story time, when I got allowed to wear makeup and why my mom thought the makeup was just like going to make me look older than what I needed to look. Stick around. We're going to talk about it. So today's makeup that I am going to be using, all of the products that I'll be using today are from bareMinerals. Everything is going to be linked in the description box below. Should you want to pick something up, everything is going to be linked down there for you below. If I have any discount codes, you already know. Everything is going to be where? Linked down below. This is bareMinerals. This is their Pure Serum Radiant Liquid Foundation, and this does have an SPF of 20 in it. I'm going to try to talk and educate you and tell you about the product, okay? And I'm also going to be trying to tell you a story. So if you want to stick around just for the humor aspect of the video, make sure you stick around. But thank you so much to bareMinerals for sponsoring today's video. I truly appreciate you. Your product is so near and dear to me, and I'm going to tell you why. Growing up, I was not allowed to wear makeup at all, you guys. I just could not wear makeup at all. My mom was like, no, you gotta wait till you get 18, wait till you get 19, 20. I'm like, hello lady, excuse you. She's like, no, it just makes you look older. You don't need it. Embrace your natural beauty, your true skin. But you know, when you're a teenager and you see all the girls coming to school with makeup and everybody's looking a little different, their skin looks blurred, it looks like they have flawless skin. I wanted to be a part of that too, but my mom was like, not having it. So the one product my aunt used to wear was bareMinerals, and I would go with her and I talk to my mom. I'm like, this is like clean ingredients. This has this. It's not even really like a lot of makeup. Can we just try this? And she had said, okay, we'll try it out. So I went with my cousin and my aunt, and we went to bareMinerals, and I'll never forget, it was my first time to get to try makeup out, and there were no shades in my color. There was just like no shades that really matched me, that looked well. They were too ashy, they were too light, they were gray. They didn't have a huge variety. They didn't have a large range. I believe they were just getting started. This is like a nostalgic brand. I believe they've been around since 1995, early 2000s, somewhere in that genre. You know, I could be making it up, but I think I'm telling the truth. Pick somebody else. So this was so near dear to me when they reached out and asked if I wanted to be a part of this campaign. Absolutely. Hello mom, I called my mom. I'm like, you've got to watch this because I'm putting makeup on, and it's with the same company that I told you back way back in the day. So we are going to get into this. This is said that you can just apply this with your finger. So I'm going to apply one side with my hand, and then I'm also going to apply one side with a brush. Let me give you a little bit of the facts. You know I brought notes because you know I believe in telling you the facts and the truth. This is a new liquid foundation launch, the first of its kind. This is a serum infused foundation with 93% skincare ingredients. True to you, naturally radiant finish, made with only 23 ingredients total. So let's see how it is. I'm going to take it, apply it in my hand, and it does come out like this here. You can twist it and then you just press down. It said you don't need a lot. Oh my gosh, it's very liquidy. I'm gonna start on one side, and I'm looking over here because this is my mirror. Oh my God, did I even put anything on? Oh, or did it just blend in that well? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did I even, you know I'm about to make a mess too. It's so liquidy. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's buildable. It looks like it's a little bit buildable. Can you guys, is it like a perfect match? Okay, bareMinerals, okay. It feels like, I don't know, it kind of feels, girl, I told you I was gonna make a mess. I told y'all already I was gonna make, are you seeing this? Oh my gosh. Like for real. It's like, you seen I put like 2 pumps on, rubbed it in my hands. You always wanna warm it up together and warm it up on your hands and put it in. And are you guys seeing this? I do have it on, you guys. I promise you, I have on makeup. It doesn't look like it though. It does feel a little, I think I put too much actually. I didn't need that much. You only need like a small amount. It just matched so well. I didn't think I had put on enough, but oh, and it got like a radiant glow. Do you see the glow? You know she loves a good glow. I also have a brush here. I do want to see how it applies with the brush. So me looking straight at the camera, if you can see me here, let's talk about this because I want to spill all the tea and give you all the facts on it so when you leave here, you feel entertained and educated. How's that? So this side has the makeup on it. Okay, we see that there. And then this side has no makeup on it. Natural beauty is what it's given with a radiant finish. The texture does kind of feel like skincare. It kind of feels oily. I will say that. There's no white cast from the SPF. There's nothing like that it's giving, but the light is hitting it. So you are seeing that. It's giving a glow. It's giving a radiant finish glow. I did not need a lot. Now I'm gonna take this side and put the product directly on the brush, you guys, okay? And we're gonna, I still put too much. I'm used to foundations where you have to put a whole lot. Now look at the brush. That was way too much. You don't need a lot at all. So it's gonna last you for a long time because you don't need a lot. Oh my gosh. It's very lightweight too. I didn't need all this product at all. I still have way too much on. The match is there, honey. The match is there. Hello? Excuse you? Oh my God, I'm gonna get it in natural sunlight for you guys as well because the lights are kind of bright because the sun is going down. So I gotta hurry up so I can get a picture of it in natural sunlight, but it's giving. It's totally giving, but I did not need that much product. So you see, you can apply it with your hands. You can also apply it with the brush. It's totally up to you. Let's say you're on the go, you gotta move real fast, and you're like, I don't really have a lot of time, I gotta get it done. You could go in your bag, take this out, don't put a lot like I did. You don't need that much, a little goes a long ways. It's not gonna leave you, with a white cast because of the SPF 20 either. You can see that there as well. There is no white SPF cast or anything like that. Rub it in your hands and just go ahead and put it on. You guys, this was so easy. That's all you need to do. I'm blown away, first of all, because the coverage is there. It's a light, I would say it's a light coverage. Your skin is still showing through. You can still see your skin. I have moles right here. It looks like it blurred my pores a little bit, definitely. It also looked like, I can't believe, let me bring my mirror closer. Am I just seeing stuff? No, it is actually giving. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's cute. You know those days that you don't want to do a whole lot of makeup. You don't want to do a whole lot. You just might want to run out. You want to do a Trader Joe's errand, or maybe, leaving in the gym or something, and you want to carry this in your gym bag and meet with a friend, and then you just want to look decent before you guys meet for a coffee or something, and you want to spruce yourself up. Is that a word? My grandmother used to say that, spruce yourself up. It's still a given. So yeah, you want to spruce yourself up. This would be really good. I can stop right here, because this is giving me like an everyday, easy finish look. You know what I mean? Like, I look polished. My skin is given one tone, one texture, even skin tone, a little bit of a radiant glow. I love a glow, so I don't mind glowing. I love glowing. If you don't want to glow as much, maybe don't put that much, and then you wouldn't have these bright lights on you, but I do. But this is definitely given a beautiful glow. I'm in the shade Deep Neutral 5. I did go in store, you guys. I played around with all the makeup. I wanted to see it for myself. I am the type of girl that likes to feel it, touch it, see it. I want to experiment with it. I want to see what colors you have, what's your color range. This has 20 shades. When I was a girl and I was experimenting with it, it wasn't a lot of shade ranges. So shout out to you, bareMinerals, for you know, getting some other shade ranges that are good for melanin skin. I mean, this is like, okay, you know, I'm looking at it in natural light over here, which I'm gonna share with you guys, and you're looking at it through the camera light and the lights that are shining on me. But you guys, I kid you not, like, this is giving. This is like what my skin is giving. This went on like nobody's business, and you've seen it. I did it right here in front of you. No lies told. It is what it is, and it's giving. I love the radiant finish. They do have neutral, they do have warm. I thought I would be in a golden shade, but I was more in the neutral category. My skin does lean red more towards out, but then inside in the upper parts and here, it's a little bit lighter. So you do want to play around with it just to see what shade is going to match you best. It's lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have anything really on my skin. It applied on like butter, like magic. Hello. It's given my skin, but better, but blurred. No pores are really peeking and showing through. I quite like it, if I might say so myself. This is also a bareMinerals lip gloss. This is in the shade Heart. This is good. This is like a nudie mauve pink. You know I love those. These are my favorite. This is what this looks like here. They have tons of shades of this as well, which I really, really like. I also picked up, this is their palette, and this is all recyclable material, you guys. You can take this whole thing and just, you know, toss it. It's all cardboard. This is their eyeshadow palette here. They have a promise to the environment to put it out less plastic. They're committed to that. It opens up like this, and this is the shade range. I thought this was easy. This is like an easy, warm palette, everyday appropriate. It's perfect for glowing. It's perfect for the summer. It's perfect for right now. Oh my God, look how pigmented it is. That was just like really one swatch. Let's try another one. You see this one here? I haven't been into shimmers lately. I've been into more solid colors. I'm coming alive right in front of your face. Oh, that was a lot. You see how pigmented it is? Oh my gosh. Girl, you're doing a lot. I thought you said we were keeping it. Well, you know, we always like to be extra. What does Beyonce say? We're gonna be extra. Everybody on mute. So that's that on that. The eyes are giving very much golden shimmer, just what the color is called, glowing. It's more of a glowing look. And you see how it's coming together? I put the foundation on, and look, it hasn't done anything. It's giving me the same finish. Do you see that there? I'm loving this. The radiant glow. Oh my God. Okay, bareMinerals. I see you. You guys, I am so excited. I told you, this is the thing about me. I love when I receive product and I'm asked to do a review and it's given what they said it was supposed to give, and it's given on me. You know what I mean? It's given on me. This shade is given on me. And I love the eyeshadow. I mean, this is so easy. You know, I travel a lot. I'm gonna put this right in my travel bag because it had all the warm glowing colors. These are all my light colors. I don't do a lot of loud colors. I like a natural look. You know, that's just how I am with clothing, with makeup, with bags. I'm a classic natural girl. And this is definitely given a classic natural finish with the glow. It's matching my skin tone. So I'll take it. All right, let's move on. Oh, I have a bronzer. When I received it, I was thinking to myself, even in store, I was looking at it, they have tons of different colors. This one is called Kiss of Rose. The reason why it's called a bronzer, you guys, is because it's bronzer and blush. So bronzer, and it's so pretty. It has like a really nice shimmer to it. So it's like you know how you put the bronzer on to kind of, you know, sculpt out your cheeks or, you know, carve your face out or what have you, and then you put the blush on to glow. Well, right now I've been putting my blush all the way from here all the way up. That's what I'm doing. That's what I like to do right now. So I'm gonna do it with this. Let me swatch it for you. Let's see this. Here we go. Did you see that? I'm getting better with my swatches, right? I'm getting better with my swatches. You guys, this is so pretty. This is gonna be so pretty for fall. You know you have to do the face, right? Okay. Over here. I told you I like to take it all the way back. You know, it raises your face a little bit. And I have like those Kanye West cheeks, and Michelle Obama. And so, lifting up the cheeks for me is really good. Ooh, I quite like that. Did you see that? It just add a little bit of dimension. You know, I'm not gonna put it all the way up here like this. Well, maybe I will. I always say that and then I do it. I like this. Okay, I'm putting a little bit more on. It's buildable. You see that? Always go in with your makeup and start off kind of soft because you don't know what it's gonna get. And then once you find out or you get to know the product or what have you, you can build it. And that's what I like to do. It's easy to add more. It's hard to take it off. You know what? You have to stop me on the blush or the bronzer because she will go on and on and on. But you guys, this color is so pretty. This brand is vegan free, cruelty free, clean ingredients, talc free on the eyeshadow palette. Okay, talc free on the eyeshadow palette. Let's not forget about that. They are a clean beauty line, and they're very conscious of the products that they use and ingredients that they use in their product line as well. And I can appreciate that. This is really all I was trying out today. The main star of the show is the new foundation, which is the bareMinerals Pure SEURM Radiant Natural Liquid Foundation with SPF 20. This matched me perfectly. You've seen it. I applied it with my hands. I also applied it with the brush, and it was giving through both, ways of application. Brush on this side, bare hands on this side. It delivered. bareMinerals, you did that. This is really good. I am so pleased to see so many different shades that you have out. I know that we're always growing. We're always looking to add more shades and just diversifying the brand, helping it to be all inclusive, something for everyone. So to be able to walk into a store and see so many shades that I was able to pick for myself and that I was able to use, I was thoroughly impressed. I love the campaign. I love the advertisement that you had going in there as well. I did peruse the store and just seeing all of the different products. Like I said, the last time that I visited bareMinerals or even looked at some of their products was years ago. I was like in my teens, and I really wasn't even allowed to wear makeup. So to see where the brand has come right now, that is a huge moment. It was a nostalgic moment for me, just going all the way back to when I was like, this is the first makeup brand that I was allowed, that my mom would have said I could wear, because it did look so natural. It did let your skin shine through, your natural beauty shine through, and then being able to collaborate with you on this partnership and do this, it's truly, truly, truly like a nostalgic moment for me. So that is it, you guys. That is my review. It is a clean, conscious beauty line, and we can appreciate that. So those of you that have sensitive skin, this is good for all skin types. Sensitive skin, hence, this is your girl right here. I have sensitive skin. My skin doesn't even wait to act up. Like most of the times, if I put something on it that it's not, happy with or whatever, the breakouts, the flare-ups, the irritation skins, the rashes, the redness is gonna strike right away. I am going to actually go and leave this on. I'm actually gonna go and film a few more videos and leave the makeup on. I'm gonna go in natural light and get a picture so that I can share with you guys what it looks like. This is natural light. My big window is right there in front of me. Sun is almost setting, but this is what it's giving. And I put that blush on too. But you guys, this is what it's giving. I quite like it. Your skin, so pure, so true, so you. Also is, if you look here, you guys, it's supposed to blur the pores as well. Meaning that, it gives like a little bit of a blur effect, almost like a filter finish, but it's not really a filter. It's your beautiful skin, because your beauty is radiating and shining through. Hello, excuse you. And that's what it's doing. I quite like it. I am super excited. Thank you so much, Besties, for stopping by today's video. Again, shout out to bareMinerals. Thank you so much for collaborating with me and sponsoring today's video. I truly appreciate you. This product right here, I'm gonna go ahead and say it here first. This is good. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. All of the products will be linked in the description box below, so do not leave this video without checking out the description box, because you too can be so pure, so true, but at the same time, it's so you. All right, I'll talk to you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.